Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you. There's really cool stuff here. This is a nice looking device by Bamihui. It's a battery lawn trimmer for our 18-volt batteries. 3-in-1 electric brush cutter. It's the brushless lawn trimmer with two 4 Ah batteries and 4 blade types. The battery, motor, mower, and lawn edge trimmer with weed brush. All in, baby. The battery lawn trimmer is compatible with Makita batteries, 18 volt, such as the BL1820 up to BL1860B, and more. Supplied with two 4 Ah batteries and fast charger. Double term. In combination with spare batteries, the runtime can be, of course, significantly extended. And we changed the lawn trimmer, the brush cutter, the motor mower, and the lawn edge trimmer in a few seconds without tools. The smooth running wheels design ensures straight lines, clean edges. Two cutting heights, 4 and 5 centimeters, are possible. This makes it possible to achieve the desired lawn height. And this lawn trimmer with batteries equipped with a brushless motor that reaches up to 21,000 RPM and ensures a strong and even cutting performance. The 28-centimeter blade cuts effortlessly throughout grass, root, and makes any edges work quick and easy. And the battery brush cutter is designed for various tasks. The saw blade is suitable for branches, the steel blade for thick weeds and the dense growth, while the nylon blades are ideal for soft grass and precious edge cutting. The cordless lawn trimmer has an adjustable stick of 102 up to 142 centimeter, which can be adjusted to different body size. And the 180 degrees rotatable addition handle allows a comfortable work from different angles and facilitated cutting at the edges, the narrow areas and under shrubs. With a weight of only under 3 kg, this lawn edge trimmer is easy to use. It is equipped with a double switch, ergonomic handle, and a protective cover to increase the safety and reliability. The 180 degrees rotating head allows a flexible use for left and right-handed users, while the double wheels provide more stability and a quieter guide, of course. Here it comes. Bamihui comes with a brushless motor. And this is a nice stuff because the brushless motor is much more powerful, much quieter, and much modern than a brush motor. It comes here and makes a lawnmower, an edge trimmer, and a lawn trimmer in one device, with a 900-watt motor and high efficient of 21,000 RPM. Comes with a lot of fun. This is a 3-in-1 design. Lawnmower, remove the stubborn weeds and shrubs, and not only this, we can move 4 centimeters off the ground and 5 if we need it. Then we have a 180 degrees lever, 180 adjustable handle, and a security switch for security as well. A low noise design with 85 decibel and 18 centimeter circle saw blade. Wow! Bamihui makes possible. That was born out of the simple but determined convention to make gardening easier and bring people closer to the nature again, which makes the work easier for many users. Bamihui believes that continuous progress, step by step, can turn hard work into a greener and better way of life. And that's possible to join this journey with such a Bamihui battery lawn trimmer for our existing battery packs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!